y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique LaShae. For those who don't know me, this is 2023. If you don't know me, baby, you finna get to know me. But y'all already know we don't do all that talking. We just jump right into the video. Before we jump into the video, I want to shout out to Temu for sponsoring this video. Big shout out to y'all. Before we get into that, y'all already know spring here, right? Spring here, and I know y'all looking at this outfit because I'm spring ready, and I know how y'all see these pants hugging me in all the right places. So guess what? Before we get to this video, y'all need to head over to Temu right now because y'all come in closer. Come in closer. Guess what? They having a site-wide 90% off sale. Do y'all want me to say it again? Site-wide 90% off spring sale. On top of the spring sale, y'all already know the girl got y'all a 30% off discount code. Come in closer. 30% off coupon code. So, with y'all knowing all that, and I know I got y'all hype right now, because y'all already see how these clothes finna come, because look at me, y'all already see how we finna come. But let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is the first look, and this just like a red spaghetti strap sundress. And but wait, before we get into it, of course you would wear it with a strapless bra, but y'all, I got so many clothes to put on. Just imagine this bra wasn't here. So of course you would wear this with a strapless bra, and I have a little spank under here, or whatever. That's probably the line you see, but this material feels so good. It's hugging you in all the right places. This is pretty much giving it like Miami, and not even that. If you stay in Memphis, where I say it be hot, so of course y'all already know me, I'm the queen of sundresses. I love sundresses. But you can pair this with like any chain, jewelry, some sandals, heels. You can dress it up. You can either pair it with a jean jacket and it's still cute. This give it a more dressed down type of vibe. But that's the first outfit. So rated 1 through 10. What am I giving? Yeah, rate me. Okay, y'all. So this look right here is definitely a vibe. Like, this is definitely, so when I say y'all, first of all, let's get into the shirt. So the shirt, y'all, when I say so soft, oh my god, so soft. And I love like that it covers all like the back, the thick back on it. I love the thick back. And it's just basically your plain white crop top tee. I love how wide, like the, what you call this part? I don't know. I love how wide this part is, where it covers the bra straps. Is really, you can wear any bra with it. Like, I love clothes where you can put on a regular bra. You don't have to wear all them custom bras. I love shirts and dresses and stuff that gift it. Plain white crop top tee. Now you can pair it with jeans, shorts, jeans, skirt, pants, whatever you want to pair it with. So I paired it with these, I say cranberry, wide-legged. I wonder can y'all see my feet? I don't know. I paired it with wide-legged pants, which is pretty much so comfortable. When I say these clothes so comfortable, and it just got this little string right here, and you just tie it up in the front. And baby, this is my look. I'm keeping this on today because it is 70-something degrees outside. And it feels good. Get into it. It hugs you in all the right places. But you definitely need to pair this with some heels if you're a short girl to bring you up so your pants don't scrub the ground. I hate, like y'all, the only thing that needs to be scrubbing the ground is your booty when you in the club, not your pants. Get into it. And then it has the spandex right here. It's very stretchy. This is in a size extra large. It has pockets, so you know you just be chilling, walking, get into it. So this is the teal green. I think it's teal green. I'm not sure. I'm putting it on the screen. But I think this is the teal green, and this is the other color that they come in. So yeah, this color is giving it to the girls. Like, it's a mirror right here. I keep looking at myself in the mirror because I look good. This color right here is definitely giving, I'm finna go eat some lamb chops at Thrive. Put on my little heels and I'm out the door, because this is definitely giving it to the girls. Like, it's so soft. Like, this material is so soft. And I don't know what, I think I got these two in different sizes, because this size is pretty much giving me more room in the thigh. So yeah, which color do y'all like best? Because this green is popping. Get into it. Temu, y'all ain't playing. For the thick girls, baby, y'all need to shop because it's hugging you in all the right places. All the right places. Okay, y'all, so I really have lost count on what outfit I'm on, but this is, I want to get like a basic casual chill type of day outfit. So this is just a 2-piece jogger set. When I say this outfit is so comfortable, it feel like I'm naked. When I say that, I mean it. It feel like I don't have on no clothes. That's how comfortable this outfit is. So let's get into it. So first I'm gonna start with the shirt. Is just your basic white, like a winking type crop top shirt. And with this one, y'all know how I was telling y'all on the other shirt, you don't need a special bra. If you wear this jogger set without the jacket, you're definitely gonna need like that t-shirt type bra. So you definitely gonna need a special bra with this one. But this shirt is so soft. I tucked it in because with my jogger sets, I just like to look comfortable, and the tucked in look just, it's more appealing to me. So let's get into the jacket. It does zip up. If you wanted to zip up, you know, it just give you the chill type vibe. Like, I'm finna run to the grocery store. I got some fruit errands to run. I don't want to get just dressy. So you can definitely put this outfit on. And as y'all see, I was reaching for pockets. Only thing, it does not have pockets. It only have this one pocket in the back. Two pockets. I call it. When I say that, I mean it. It feel like I don't have on no clothes. That's how comfortable this outfit is. So let's get into it. So first I'm gonna start with the shirt. Is just your basic white, like a winking type crop top shirt. And with this one, y'all know how I was telling y'all on the other shirt, you don't need a special bra. If you wear this jogger set without the jacket, you're definitely gonna need like that t-shirt type bra. So you definitely gonna need a special bra with this one. But this shirt is so soft. I tucked it in because with my jogger sets, I just like to look comfortable, and the tucked in look just, it's more appealing to me. So let's get into the jacket. It does zip up. If you wanted to zip up, you know, it just give you the chill type vibe. Like, I'm finna run to the grocery store. I got some fruit errands to run. I don't want to get just dressy. So you can definitely put this outfit on. And as y'all see, I was reaching for pockets. Only thing, it does not have pockets. It only have this one pocket in the back. Two pockets. I call it the cigarette pocket. It does have the string right here if you want to tie. And on the jacket, it has the strings also. It does have a hood. Let's get into it. This is definitely a look. Like, I said I was going to keep the other outfit on for the day, but I think I'm going to keep this one on. And for my short girls, it fits your bottom ankle just right. It give that little, you know, the tightness on the ankle. It gives you the stretch that you need in all the right places. Just get into it. Like, get into it. One thing about they clothes, y'all, when you shopping on sites that's very affordable, like Usher affordable, usually they clothes come with strings hanging. Like, something be wrong with them. All these clothes, baby, ain't no string hanging on nothing. Everything is intact. Shout out to Temu. They giving you quality clothes for a cheap price. When I say cheap, affordable, baby, you need to be changing clothes every day. You shouldn't wear the same outfit at all in a month. That's how affordable it is. Okay, y'all, so again, this is just a simple outfit. These are just your denim distressed leggings. I love these leggings. Like, they fit you again in all the right place. And they just have like a lot of little, like the little fake pockets. It's a fake pocket right here, fake pocket right here. It just gives you the distressed look. Like, jeans, that's not jeans. I'm not a jeans fan. I love like comfortable leggings, joggers, stuff like that. So I'm always looking for cute leggings just to switch up with. So this is definitely a go-to. Like, you are definitely want to put this in your cart. Not only in your cart, you're going to want to check out and buy. So next we have is just a Jesus shirt. Y'all know I am a preacher's kid. I am a PK. So we got to do the Jesus. So it says, he'll be there for you. Jesus with the red, blue, and yellow. And you know, you can just wear this on a Friday night. Say, for instance, you can dress down at church. This is definitely something you just want to have. Definitely just one of them comfortable, casual, chill around the house type looks. So yeah, and y'all, I don't see how y'all do these clothing houses. When I say I'm sweating, I'm sick of changing clothes, baby. Shout out to Temu, because they giving you quality clothes, again, at a affordable price. I'm not just saying that. I'm so serious. And the clothes feel good. Like, the quality of the clothes feel So good. Okay, y'all, so this gonna be the last outfit that I do put on, because the other two outfits I just tried to put on, I should have got them in a bigger size, but they like basic outfits, so I can just show y'all and y'all can pretty much tell how it's gonna look on you, because it's just a black leggings and like a brown two-piece set. But y'all already saw these pants. I put them back on because this is my favorite look from everything I just put on. This is my favorite look, these pants. This is a different shirt. This is your turtleneck crop top, no sleeves. You don't need a special bra for these because, you know, you see how it's made. So it's a t-shirt shirt. But this just your basic white crop top shirt. And you can pair it with anything. Again, I just put these flare out pants, wide leg pants back on because they is my favorite. And this is definitely a look. But I want to just show y'all the last few items they did send me. So this is just your basic brown legging set. And then it has the long sleeve crop top shirt. So again, I should have got this a size up. I can, hopefully Temu, I can send this back and y'all can definitely send me the size I need. Black leggings, and yes, see, I did. Y'all thought I was lying. I tried to put them on, but I can't fit them. And these leggings feel so good. Temu, y'all definitely gotta send me my size. Please do. So this is just your basically black leggings, and again, they have a wide band right here for your stomach, and I definitely should have went up in size in that. I also have this heart. It's like a heart shaped purse, and I'm assuming, let me show y'all, because this is definitely giving it to the girls. And you can put the strap on. Here's the strap. It's just a nice gold strap. Connect this strap. This is definitely a look. I'm gonna get some shoes this color, and this is definitely a look. Oh, this is definitely a look. I gotta take a picture in this one. This is definitely a look. Get into it. Baby, this purse is like so cute. Y'all, one thing about purses, it do not have to be designer, because affordable ones be the best looking ones, because this is definitely cute. And this purse was under $15. And this is definitely giving it to the girls. So, yes, this is definitely a look. We going to brunch. Who taking me to brunch? Where your daddy? Where your uncle? Somebody taking me out, because I look good in my Temu outfit. And then with shoes, they also sent me, yeah, my feet not done. My feet not done. But they also sent me these sandals that's in the color tangerine, and these are definitely cute. You definitely can get a shirt or a sundress this color, or some not this color, but let's say black, yellow, anything that'll go with this color, and you would definitely get it. My toes are not done, y'all. It's not finna see my toes and drag me in the comment section. But yes, they also sent me that. Okay, so again, they also sent me, I'm gonna give y'all closer looks. These are anklets, but you can do your anklets as bracelets too, if your ankle and your bracelet is the same size. But again, shout out to Temu, y'all. Shout out to them. Again, this is the spring sale. Temu is having a site-wide, worldwide 90% off sale. So be sure, y'all, on top of the 90% off sale, guess what? They gave not only me clothes, but they basically giving away clothes, because they gave my subscribers a 30% off coupon code. So please check out the description box. I'm gonna have a coupon code. You don't want to miss this, y'all. Spring is coming. We're trying to be hot girl ready, so stop playing. And again, they have free shipping, free returns for up to 90 days, and also they take all major credit cards. Why pay one time when you can pay 4 times? You can split your total into 4 payments, y'all, using Klarna and Afterpay. So if you don't have all the money right now, baby, split that payment up into 4 payments, period. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, shout out to Temu for sponsoring this video. Be sure to rate my looks. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to post your favorite look on Instagram and tag me in it. Not only me, but tag Temu in it. Show them that y'all like the outfits, because I want them to work me again. Because we ain't buying no clothes 2023. We straight sponsorships around here. I'm just playing, y'all. But again, shout out to Temu, and we out of here.